Hey there everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did some salmon patties for you. I'm a big fan of these. My dad and my granny used to make them all the time. There's a little different because with these I went a little bit of the spicier route, so I diced me up some jalapeños going in them, but otherwise it's pretty close to their same base recipe. But I started off here with my onion and got it processed up and diced up, and I went with a fine dice on it so it's not big pieces when you're going to chew and eat on your salmon patties. And then once I had it done, just started on my jalapeños, and with them as well I just went with a fine dice, so it's just small pieces that's going to be running throughout the salmon patties, so you can have that spice and flavor of the jalapeno in it. And once I had it diced up, I added it to my drained salmon and my egg as well, and I put in 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise to help keep everything bonded together, and it also adds in moisture so they're not as dry. And for my dry ingredients, I added in some flour and cornmeal, and I'll make sure to have all my ingredients down below so you'll see what all went in it. And then it's just mix those all together till you get everything combined. And once it's there, you can have your oil getting up to temp, and I ran it at about 350 degrees, just normal frying temperature. And once it's there, you can just start spooning out the size of salmon patties that you want, and just let them start swimming in the good old grease. And you just cook them off until you get the good golden brown color that you'll see right here. And it doesn't take too long till you get them there. Just let them get that good color on each side, and once they're there, they're done. This is the second batch that I was starting on after the first one got done. And just again, just cook them till you get the golden brown color on them, and then they're there and just ready to eat. And for the dipping sauce that I went with it, also went with a spicy kind of touch as well. So on it, when you'll see it coming up here in just a little bit, I went with a spicy tartar sauce, and it's pretty close to your basic tartar sauce recipe, except it's just got the jalapenos in it too, because I wanted that flavor running throughout. So I had my onion here, pepper, some creamy horseradish, mayo, my jalapenos like I said, and then salt. And it's just salt and pepper to taste. But for my onion and the jalapeno as well, I'm just doing a good fine dice on it because I don't want chunks in there when I'm going to dip the salmon patty in there. And that's pretty much it. Once you've got those chopped up, throw it in there, throw in your mayonnaise, mix together, and then like I said, the salt and pepper to taste however you want it. And that's pretty much it. It's just dip, eat, and enjoy. And that's pretty much it. Anyways, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.